Hi, welcome back to ASVAB series of questions. Question says a phone company charges $2 for the first 5 minutes of the phone call and 30 cents per minute thereafter. If Tom makes a phone call that lasts 25 minutes, what will be the total cost of the phone call? This is the question. The options are $8, $8.50, $C, like $9.00 and $9.50. These are the options of the answers. Okay, let's divide the question in chunks. So what the statement says, we will understand first. That a phone company charges $2 for the first 5 minutes of a phone call. For example, if the phone call is less than 5 minutes, then you will be only charged fixed price of $2. And if the phone call is greater than it lasts more than 5 minutes, then you will have a variable payment. So first thing that you have to understand, and the fixed charge is $2 for 5 minutes. Suppose my call started at this point and it moved up to here, and this is the 5 minutes. Okay, here 5 minutes is over. So what I will be giving, $2. Up to here I will give $2. Okay, after this I have to calculate how much will be my cost depending on the amount. So it says 30 cents per minute. After that it says 30 cents per minute. 30 cents per minute, that means $1 is $1 is 100 cents. Okay, this is 100 cents. Now you have to calculate based on the total amount of minutes. If Tom makes a phone call that lasts 25 minutes, so 5 minutes for cost for the first 5 minutes is fixed $2, and after that there is 30 cents. So we'll subtract this 5 minutes from 25 minutes and the remaining will be 20 minutes. For 20 minutes he is charged 30 cents per minute. So multiply this, 20 times 30, that is 600 cents, and 1 cent is 100 cent is $1. So 600 cents is divided by 100, so it gives $6. So total cost is $2 from here and $6 from here. Sum them, that is $8. $8 is the answer. This is the first is your answer. That's it. Please like, comment and share to your friends, and also send us more questions like this. I'll solve them and help you understand them. Thank you so much.